Questions 1 to 2. Read a text aloud. Directions. In this part, you will be asked to read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then, you will have 45 seconds to read the text out loud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Thank you for shopping with Westside Electronics. Your online order is now ready for pickup at our downtown store. Please bring a copy of your confirmation email and a valid photo ID when you arrive. Orders can be collected between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m., Monday through Saturday. If you are unable to pick up your order within 5 days, please contact customer service for assistance.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Attention residents, please be advised that water service will be temporarily unavailable on Thursday, November 14, from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. due to scheduled maintenance in the building. We recommend storing enough water in advance for your basic needs. We apologize for the inconvenience and appreciate your patience. If you have any questions, please contact the building management office.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to describe the pictures on the screen in as much detail as possible. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 30 seconds to talk about the pictures. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, a mechanic is working underneath a car in an auto repair shop. The car is raised on a lift, and the man is lying on the rolling board while using a tool to inspect or repair the underside of the vehicle. Around him, there are several tires, a toolbox, and other equipment commonly found in a garage. The floor looks a little dirty, which suggests this is an active work area.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, a family sitting around a dining table and having a meal together at home. There appear to be two adults and two children, and they're talking while eating dinner. The table is full of different dishes, glasses of water, and serving plates, so it looks like they are enjoying a large meal. In the background, a television is on, and the room looks warm and comfortable. Everyone seems relaxed and happy, and it seems like a pleasant family dinner.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 5 and 6, and 30 seconds to respond to question 7. Imagine that you are talking to a friend about social media. Now, I'm going to ask you 3 questions.
Which social media platform do you use most often?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I do not use social media very much, but I probably use YouTube most often. I mainly watch useful videos there, and I use WhatsApp to communicate with my family and my close friends.
Do you prefer communicating by text messages or phone calls? Why?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I prefer text messages because they're quick and convenient. It is easy to send messages on WhatsApp, and I can stay in touch with my family and close friends without interrupting their schedule. If it's an emergency, I'll call them.
In your opinion, what are the advantages of using social media?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I believe social media has several advantages when people use it in a balanced way. First, it helps people stay connected with family and friends, especially if they live far away. Second, platforms like YouTube can be very useful for learning new things, getting information, and finding entertainment. Social media can help people share important updates quickly. For these reasons, I think it can be very useful, even though I personally do not use it too much.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to refer to information on the screen in order to answer 3 questions. The information will be shown for 45 seconds before you hear the questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 8 and 9, and 30 seconds to respond to question 10. Begin preparing now.
Good afternoon, I'm planning to register for summer classes. When does registration open, and what is the deadline?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Good afternoon. Registration opens on April 21st, and the deadline is May 16th. It is a good idea to register early so you can get better class options.
What are the requirements students must complete before registering for courses?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Before registering, students must meet an academic advisor, resolve any holds on their student account, complete all required prerequisites, and make sure payment or an approved payment plan is in place.
I may register late, and I also need to speak with an advisor. Could you explain the late registration fees and tell me how I can contact an academic advisor?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Certainly, A late fee will be charged if you register after May 16th. The fee is $25 for 1 to 5 days late, $50 for 6 to 10 days late, and $100 if you're more than 10 days late. To contact an academic advisor, you can email advisement@northwood.edu, call 555-123-4567, or visit the Academic Advising Center in room 210 of the main building.
Directions. In this part, we'll be asked to give your thoughts on a certain topic. It is to your advantage to speak as much as possible in the time provided. You will have 30 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. Some people prefer buying brand name products, while others prefer buying store brand or generic products. Which do you think is better? Give reasons and examples to support your opinion. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I think store brand or generic products are better in most cases. One reason is that they're usually more affordable, so people can save money without sacrificing too much quality. For everyday items like food, medicine, or cleaning products, the difference between a brand name product and a generic one is often very small. Another reason is that buying generic products helps people manage their budget more wisely. For example, a small family that chooses store brand groceries in their local supermarket every week can save a significant amount of money over time. Of course, there are exceptions. Brand name products can sometimes offer better quality or customer service, especially for electronics or luxury items. However, for most daily purchases, I think generic products are the smarter and more practical choice. You've officially finished all 11 questions. Great job! Which part did you find the most challenging today? Let me know in the comment section below. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more updated 2026 TOEIC content. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay awesome!